Henry, good question. Super chat. Henry asks, placed a deposit on 2023 SuperJet back in June. Should I be nervous? And how does it compare to two-stroke? Had both a square nose and a round nose. Very different skis. In fact, most people, they like that the new SuperJet is smaller, more nimble than an SXR. But in comparison to a round nose SuperJet, very different. Very, very different. Depends on your height, weight, riding ability. But the SuperJet aftermarket industry is starting to catch up with the new SJ. And that will make a big difference. All right. But I personally really enjoy it. But I do not compare it to a square nose. I don't compare it to an SXR. I don't compare it to an SXR 800. I compare it on its own merits. I just said this is what it is because it's so unique. It's not an evolution. It is a major jump. So you have to look at that ski as its own machine. I think it's – oh, no. I have not heard anything negative in regards to build quality of the SuperJet. That's one thing that good question. Two strokes break down. Two strokes always break down, but you put them back together. Now you're buying a four stroke. Hope you're good with engines because fixing a four stroke's a lot tougher than it is a two stroke. Two strokes are really easy.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.